The IRS will give you something completely free. And most business owners never claim it. It takes 10 minutes to get. And it could completely change how your business gets funded. It is called an EIN, an Employer Identification Number. And if you do not have one right now, your business is losing money every single day without you knowing it. Let me tell you about Sarah. She ran a cleaning business for 3 years. Good income. Loyal customers. Growing every month. But after 3 years, she had zero business credit. No funding options. No credit line. Nothing to fall back on when things got slow. Every expense. Every payment. Every transaction, all under her social security number. Her business had no identity of its own. Then someone told her about an EIN. She got one in 10 minutes for free. Within 6 months her business had its own credit profile, and she qualified for a $35,000 business line of credit. So what exactly is an EIN, and why does it matter so much? Let me break this down simply. EIN stands for Employer Identification Number. It is a 9-digit number issued by the IRS, the U.S. tax authority. Think of it exactly like a social security number, but for your business instead of for you personally. Your SSN is your personal identity. Your EIN is your business identity. Two completely separate things. Two completely separate financial lives. Now here is something most people get wrong. They think you only need an EIN if you have employees. That is completely false. You need an EIN if you are an LLC owner, a sole proprietor, a freelancer, a side hustler. Even a DoorDash driver or Etsy seller qualifies. The simple rule is this: if you earn money from any business activity, you qualify for an EIN. Period. Without an EIN, your business is completely invisible to lenders, suppliers, and credit bureaus. You simply do not exist as a business entity in their systems. With an EIN, your business becomes a real separate entity. It can open its own bank account, build its own credit score, borrow money on its own. Here are 5 specific things your EIN unlocks immediately. Number 1, a dedicated business bank account. Every serious bank requires an EIN to open a business account. No EIN means no business account. Number 2, a business credit profile. Without an EIN, credit bureaus like Dun & Bradstreet cannot create a file for your business. No EIN means no business credit score. Ever. Number 3, business credit cards. Most business cards require an EIN on the application. Without it, you are stuck using personal cards, which damage your personal credit score. Number 4, business loans and credit lines. Banks and online lenders require an EIN to process any business loan application. No EIN, no loan. Simple as that. Number 5, and this is the most important one. Your EIN combined with an LLC creates a legal wall between your personal assets and your business debts. Without this separation, if your business gets sued or goes into debt, creditors can come after your personal savings, your car, even your home. Now let me show you exactly how to get your EIN for free. This takes exactly 10 minutes and costs absolutely nothing. Step 1. Go to IRS website on your browser. This is the official IRS website. It is completely free. Do not use any third-party website that charges a fee, they are a scam. This is important. Many websites charge $50 to $300 to get your EIN for you. Do not fall for this. IRS.gov is completely free. Always. Step 2. Once on IRS.gov, click Apply for EIN online. The application is straightforward and takes about 10 minutes to complete. Step 3. Select your business type. If you have an LLC, select LLC. If you are a sole proprietor, select sole proprietor. If you are a freelancer or independent contractor, select sole proprietor. Step 4. Fill in your business name, your address and your SSN for verification purposes. This is the last time your SSN is connected to your business. Step 5. Submit the form and your EIN is issued immediately on screen. Print it or save it as a PDF. Your business now has its own identity. Once you have your EIN, here are the exact 3 things to do immediately. First, open a dedicated business bank account using your new EIN. Chase Business, Mercury, or Relay are excellent options. Never mix personal and business money again. Second, register for a free DUNS number at dnb.com. This puts your business on the Dun & Bradstreet database, the most widely used business credit bureau in America. Third, Apply for your first Net 30 vendor account. Companies like Uline and Quill accept new businesses with just an EIN and a DUNS number. This starts building your business credit score immediately. Getting your EIN takes 10 minutes today. But the financial separation and credit building potential it creates, that compounds over years. It is the single most important thing you can do for your business right now. Remember Sarah from the beginning? 10 minutes to get her EIN. 6 months to build her credit profile. $35,000 business line of credit. Your story starts the same way. If you take one action from this video, go to IRS.gov/EIN this week. 10 minutes. 0 cost. Your business finally gets its own identity. In the next video I am going to walk you through the complete 90-day business credit building plan, exactly what to do each month to go from 0 credit to fully fundable. If that is useful, you know where the subscribe button is. And comment EIN below if you already have yours, or comment not yet if you are getting it today.